Hello and welcome back. Let's welcome in the management at Exxaro Tiles. Himanshu Shah, Chief Financial Officer, is with us. So how has the overall demand been in Q2? How is it shaping up as things are opening up in Q3 and people are moving to new houses?
Yes, sir. As you can see, this is our quarterly result that recently that we have published. The demand is also very good, and in this recent quarter, this quarter two, we have done almost 39% volume growth, and the revenue side is 47% YY growth that we have made. So in the coming quarters, also in the real estate sectors is also very good looking to that, and we are also hopeful that in the coming quarters also in this financial year, as we all expecting that there will not be any threat of the third wave. So the growth in the coming quarters also, the volume growth will be likely to above 20 to 25% that we are expecting, and demand is also very good.
Good afternoon, Mr. Shah. This is Cheryl also joining in the conversation. Your top line actually has seen a strong growth in the quarter gone by, but there seems to be a pressure on the margins end. Is this due to a higher raw material price costs? Also, do you see this pressure continuing in H2 as well?
Yeah, definitely. See, recently, since the last 1 or 2 months, there is a substantial increase in the overall raw material cost and fuel cost also. So because of this, there is a little bit pressure is on the margin is itself, because the market is not absorbing the price movement in these all raw material prices as good as we can pass on it. But we are able to at least 50% that we are able to pass in the market. And hopefully we see that this will be resolved as far as fuel cost is concerned, because there is a substantial increase in the last 2 months from the current level, and still there is an hope that the price will also will further increase. So looking to all that, we are internally just having a some analysis on that, how we can sustain in the market in terms of the passing of the some of the cost to the dealers networks at the pan India levels, and hopefully this will be resolved within the next quarter end. And we are just planning on that, so how we can sustain the current level of the margins in the EBITDA and the net sales price realization in the market.
Right. So I just wanted to understand, this is a recovery in real estate coming in after so many years. How is the company well positioned to take advantage of that? How have you grown in the last few years, and how will you take advantage if the recovery continues?
Yeah, definitely. As you can see, there is a good volume growth in this current second quarter, say almost 39%. And overall on the half yearly results, you can see that on YY basis, almost 59% is the volume growth. So looking to that, so real estate is also doing very well. And in the coming quarters and the year also, this demand will sustain also. And we hopefully see that there is a good orders in hand also in the domestic as well as export market. But due to certain this container availability and high cost, there is a slight reduction in the export market also. In the domestic, also good demand is there, orders are in hand, and we hopefully see that there will be a more than 30% volume growth definitely will be, we are expecting in the coming quarters. So good demand in affordable housing and other retail segments also, and in tier 2 and tier 3 cities also, demand approach is very good in the market.
All right, Mr. Shah, we leave it at that. Thank you for joining us on the show, taking us through the earnings and the quarter gone by for Exxaro Tiles, as well as what lies ahead for the company as well as the sector. That was Mr. Himanshu Shah, who is the Chief Financial Officer at Exxaro Tiles.